just bought this luxurious private jet, and if this pilot can spend 100 days trapped inside, he keeps it.
What?
No joke, I spent $2.5 million on this private jet. And once you step inside, the 100 days will begin.
Oh my God.
And now that hour one of this 100-day challenge has started, I say we kick things off by taking him for a spin.
Let's go. Let's take it for a spin.
We're about to find out if he's a real pilot. Stays on this plane for the next 100 days. It will forever be his to fly anywhere he wants all around the world.
100 days living in this thing, no problem.
That was a smooth ride. This thing is nice.
Let's see if the landing's smooth.
What a great flight.
That was awesome.
You're now 2 hours into your 100-day challenge. But if any part of your body touches the ground outside this plane, the video ends and you lose this private jet.
Don't touch the ground.
Good luck. Let's see if Armando can win this private jet.